even something like Super Saint with Captain Midnight. You ever played with them?
Well, sometimes I don't even like to talk about it because so one of the only sound that really come and East come bad me up.
Okay.
You there the boss, man. At the boss that you there at the boss.
Mm-hmm.
Enough select out the pirate that you there, But I don't not call the name. But you have selector out there a pirate him.
Mm-hmm.
And through them up and for them big son and Ray at the big son are going, But the you there, Captain Midnight. A man will use 45 and kill every dub plate you have. It no matter how much dub plate you have. The man will use some 45. When the man they speak and drop a song, yeah man.
Mm-hmm.
The man that come and east man come bad me up. But me and him did cool, sir. Cool. What do you even see him? Him a drive truck. I think him still living at St. Catherine side.
Okay.
My driver truck for one big company in Jamaica. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What had happened in that dance, sir? Why you say he came in and bad you up? What had happened?
It's just musically, not no. Just musically.
Mm-hmm. But what do you remember of that dance, there? Give us some details. What you remember of that dance?
It's just midnight and theme thing,
Mm-hmm.
It was just midnight and theme thing because, we are going with our thing is, but midnight I come in another theme thing different with, but as me I tell you, some 45 the man I use.
Mm-hmm.
So everybody I feel is like people are looking at us, boy. Yeah, everybody can say, yo, that song you're going tonight.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like that song you're going tonight. Blackstone, yeah, our sound, but that song you're going tonight.
Mm-hmm. And Super Saint was a big song at that time, or they were still.
Yeah, man, Super Saint was one of the big sound them up there.
Mm-hmm.
Stone Love and the Metro Media, the inner city,
Mm-hmm. Do you remember any night in particular, memorable night with Stone Love back then?
Stone Love, Blackstone.
Mm-hmm.
It was couple nights well, and them dance a big dance too,
Mm-hmm.
Wee Pow not get anybody them there.
Okay.
Yeah. Stone Love, Blackstone. When them playing at one place there in a Trees Avenue one time. That's the same place where Nucleus had play.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I tell you, man. What's around 2 pack of cigarettes were about. Yeah, man, I have give it to them, man. Give it to them, man. I didn't even know our place. Them time that Cutty Ranks are the artists,
Mm-hmm.
And we have the bomber upon them,
Mm-hmm.
We have the bomber. Yo. Wee Pow never left the place,
Mm-hmm.
Wee Pow never leave East Kingston that night. I don't know where him sleep, but him say, Webba, you have to help me out here. Get Cutty Ranks for him. And in the morning, around the arrows, they even go to the studio arrows. Around the yard, them cut the Cutty Ranks.
Okay.
Yeah, I link up Cutty for him and I saw him get some Cutty. Because the Cutty Ranks, them done the dance, man. Mm-hmm. Yeah, when we are Stone Love buck up, man, things up,
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.